We're here in a 2018 Infiniti QX80. We just installed the Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. Designed by our engineers here in Raleigh, North Carolina, this system adds wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto right onto your factory screen. You can see you can interact with the original touchscreen, or you can use this rotary wheel here. Our system has been precision engineered to preserve all of your factory features, including your factory operating system. Long holding the back button for 3 seconds brings you back to the original OS, or can take you back to Android Auto. This system has both wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto built into it. It works with your factory backup camera. You can see shifting to reverse will bring up your factory backup camera and your 360 camera as well. Coming back to park or drive brings you right back to CarPlay or Android Auto. I'll show you here. This system uses the factory microphone, so phone calls, text messages, or the Google Voice Assistant are a breeze. No matter whether you use Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, or any other music app, you have easy access to all your songs and beautiful cover art. Coming back home, no matter whether you use Waze, Google Maps, or another Maps app, this navigation is so much better than your factory nav.
Let's take Corporation Parkway, Raleigh.
Any app with an Android Auto component will automatically show up here on your Android Auto home screen. So any app that has an Android Auto component that you use in your personal or business life, you'll be able to access right here. This system is made with top-of-the-line components. We use gold-plated circuit boards and genuine top-quality chips. It's backed by a 3-year warranty called the Hamilton Guarantee, which means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. You can check out our YouTube channel for a full installation video. You can also give us a call and talk to me or one of my team members. My name is Dave. Call us at 919-858-2890. Check us out, hamiltonmotorcompany.com.